最近我去了很多地方，比如意大利、还有法国和日本。I've been all over the place recently, like Italy and France.
是的，但是我是说，老实说，你知道，其中一些阴谋论最终被证明是真的事实。
那些就像亨特·拜登的笔记本电脑一样，那是真的，是的。所以，你知道，那是一件相当重要的事情。
Well, yes, but I mean, honestly, you know, some of these conspiracy theories have turned out to be true.
Which ones?
Well, like,
in the early days of computer programming, a significant historical anecdote is known as Grace Hopper and the Bug. In 1947, at Harvard University, Rear Admiral Grace Hopper was working on the Mark II computer. One day, the system stopped working, and technicians discovered a moth trapped between the contacts of a relay, causing the malfunction. Hopper then coined the term debugging to describe the process of fixing computer errors. She even pasted the moth in her logbook, which is now on display at the Smithsonian National Museum of American History. This incident